Hello, welcome to our channel and it's Hello India. And today's topic from the only solution of all our problems, and the topic is economic hardships and the way out. The reason is not for to seek everyone today keep on expanding his list of requirements. Wisdom lies so much in spending money, earning are possible even by windfalls or heredity. But it is only the wise and the man with forethought who can properly spend his earnings. Those who spend on what is necessary for living and efficient working, who are prudent in planning their income, rarely complain about economic hardships. They are rarely in debt. People are constantly exploring avenues for more income. In this connection, the most practical method would be that we make our conduct gentle and attractive, so that more and more people choose to deal with us. All those people who have achieved fame in life had the advantage of getting cooperation from their colleagues and their relations. If we are good in our behavior with all others, we shall not get such cooperation. People would avoid us, and even if forced to deal with us, would be indifferent. Once they are no longer obliged to deal with us in such a situation, even the able would not achieve much. In contrast, the less able, with the added advantage of cooperation from friends and relations, would achieve comparatively higher. This achievement rule also applies in economic sphere. The problem of economic hardship is becoming universal. Numerous strategies are being involved to develop nation economically. Many organizations have been established at international level. Within the country, there are plans and schemes to push more people above the poverty line. It is important that in this process of development, developing human values is also accorded a prime place as one of the targets to be achieved. Unless that is done, the problem of economic hardships will continue to haunt some country or some sector of society. Unless human greed is restrained, the problem of economic hardship will continue. So, we have to avoid this type of thinking and maintain our life balance. Thank you. Have a nice day. And if you like this, please comment below. Subscribe, share, and like our channel. Thank you very much.